Hi, and welcome back to Science with Miss Wardell. So today we're in lesson 2. It talks about how does Earth's surface change slowly. This is on page 433. Okay, 433. A few vocabulary words we're going to be talking about in this lesson is weathering, glacier, and erosion. Right here, this is a picture of a glacier. Do you see it? Moving this glacier. It says this glacier is moving slowly. When they mean slowly, they mean really slowly. How is it affecting the land around it? So if it is moving and traveling almost at a downward pace, okay, think about what all is moving. Is it just the glacier? Is it other things around it? Well, yeah. So as the glacier moves, it picks up soil around it, and carries rocks as it moves. So we'll say it picks up soil and rocks by just the force of it, right? So it picks up and carries rocks as it moves. Right? So it locates them even at a different place. This changes the shape of the land. It changes the shape of the glacier. So this can change the shape of the land. Okay? I'm going to turn over to page 434. Here it says what weathering can do. Animals, plants, water, and temperature are just some of the things that can change Earth's surfaces. Weathering is breaking down of rock into smaller pieces. I'm going to underline that because I know that is one of those vocabulary words. This can happen when tree roots push up into the surface of rock. It can happen when animals burrow into the ground. Weathering is often caused by patterns of freezing and thawing. As winter nears, the weather gets colder. Rain falls into cracks in rock and freezes. As liquid water runs to ice, it expands. This widens the cracks. And when the ice melts or thaws, the rock is weaker. Pieces crumble and fall away little by little. The shape of the rock changes. Smaller pieces of rock may become part of soil. So they do change the rock. Here it talks about the test of time and how it changes over seasons caused by patterns of freezing and thawing. Here it's one way weathering can happen. You see water that moves into the cracks and stays there. The water freezes. Ice forms in the cracks. The ice takes up definitely more room and space than the liquid did, and then when the ice widens the cracks, pieces of rock may break off because they expand and get bigger. Weathering by water has caused the rocks to become rounded. Okay, so weathering by water has caused rocks to become rounded. Freezing water has also caused some rocks to crack. Here I see this picture of something piece of land formation. It looks like kind of pointy. It's a lot clearer if you look at your page. Over here I see these more rounded edges. So in this third stage I might even have something that's even more rounded, you know, than these other edges. So, just my rock. Maybe the parts on it are even more rounded. A lot less pointed. Alright? On page 436, the last two pages, I'm going to let you read about erosion and glaciers. You do not have to do the math. Alright? And then I can't wait to see the pictures of your rocks. Alright guys, see you next time. Goodbye.